Hi YouTube, Tim Uckert here. In this video, we're going to find the missing term of a geometric sequence, and we're going to use the geometric mean to do that. Now, what I mean by the geometric mean is if we take the first and the third terms in the sequence, let's say we're missing the second term, what we would do to find the geometric mean between those two terms is multiply them together and then take the square root. Okay, so in this particular case, we do 2 times 18, that's going to give us 36. Okay, the geometric mean is going to be the square root of 36. Okay, so it's going to be 6. Now, the missing term could either be a positive 6, so the geometric mean, right? Or it could also be a negative 6. Okay, it could be the opposite of the geometric mean. So it's plus or minus, this missing term can be plus or minus 6. So, if we're multiplying by a common ratio that's negative, this term would be positive, this would be negative, this would be positive, next term would be negative. If we multiply by a common ratio that is positive, then this term will be positive, this will be positive, this will be positive, and so on. Okay, another way we could find the next term is we could, and this is a little bit longer way of doing it, we could take this third term and divide it by the first term, and then we get 9. And then if we take the square root of 9, because we would have multiplied by the common ratio twice to get to 18, that would give us the common ratio. So it could either be a positive 3 here, or it could also be negative 3. All right, and then if we take this common ratio here and multiply the first term by it, 2 times 3 is going to give me 6, so it's going to give me positive 6, and 2 times negative 3 would give me negative 6. So it could either be positive 6 or negative 6 for the missing term. I think the geometric mean is the faster way of doing it, and I'll do that in the following problems as we go through them. But just be aware that this is another way we could do it. Okay, let's try another few problems and make sure we've got this down. All right, problem 2. Find the missing term of the geometric sequence below. So we're going to find the geometric mean. So we're going to take the square root of 35 times 7/5. 5 goes into 35 7 times. So it's really 7 times 7, which is 49. So the geometric mean is 7. The opposite of the geometric mean would be negative 7. So the missing term could either be a positive 7 or a negative 7. It could be one of those two. So this middle term here is going to be plus or minus 7. All right, let's keep going. All right, this next one, find the missing term of the geometric sequence below. So again, we'll find the geometric mean. So it's going to be the square root of 1 times 121. It's going to be the square root of 1 times anything is itself, so it's going to be the square root of 121, which is 11. So it could be the geometric mean, which is 11, or it could be the opposite of the geometric mean, which is negative 11. So this missing term can either be plus or minus 11. All right, let's try one more. All right, problem 4. Find the missing term of the geometric sequence below. So at 40, we don't know what this term is, and then 5/2. So let's find the geometric mean. That's going to be the square root of 40 times 5/2. 2 goes into 40 20 times, so it's 20 times 5. So 20 times 5 is 100. So the geometric mean is going to be the square root of 100, which is 10. So it could either be 10 or the opposite of 10, which is negative 10. So the missing term here can be plus or minus 10. Okay, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe.